Jane, I can't find the earphones. Did you see my earphones?
Yes, Peter, it's with me. I am talking to my mother.
I have a conference call. How should I speak to my boss? Did you see my documents?
I don't know. Peter, please don't disturb me.
Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Good morning, Peter. What happened, Peter? Why it took so much time for you to receive my call?
Sorry, I was not at my desk.
Are you ready for the meeting?
No, Mr. Smith. Client's documents are missing.
What? Have you lost them?
I'm not sure where I kept. I need some time to search.
I can understand working from home is not an easy transition, since not all of us are used to this style of working. What is more important during this time is to stay productive and do not slump. Did you set up a desk space at home?
No, not yet. We are surrounded by our personal belongings and reminders of chores. It's hard to focus. It's one of the many reasons I avoid working from my home.
Make sure you remove distractions from your workplace. You need to have a dedicated workplace. Establish a separate work environment and conduct your official work from there. It will create a distinction between work and family responsibilities. It will reduce distractions too. However, did you send follow-up email to client?
Yes, I have sent follow up emails, but he did not respond.
You should have called him. Working only via emails may add to a social isolation. So make the most of the technology during this time. Keep a provision for conducting face to face meetings via video
Okay,
conferencing tools like Skype, Microsoft Teams, etc. It offers you
okay.
to communicate effectively with the concerned team members. It will also help you to check quickly for messages in case you are on a break. Did you list down your key task?
That's not a problem. I remember everything.
Make sure you list down everything. It surely comes handy to set priorities and acts as a great roadmap to stay productive. Also, while working from home, it is important that you follow the standard operating
Hmm.
procedures recommended by our organization. This will help you
Okay.
collaborate effectively and remain productive. Are you interacting with your colleagues?
Yes, sometimes I call them, but not often.
Well, reach out to your colleagues, call them, discuss your day with them, see how others are doing it, or simply share a laugh. That will help you stay in sync with your peers and
Okay.
friends the same way you do in the office.
Thank you, Mr. Smith, for your advice. I'll try to finish task as quickly as possible and I'll update you.
Don't behave as a robot while working from home. Move around your home, take breaks. There is no compulsion for you to stay still all day. A break time will help you increase your effectiveness as well as keep your well being in check. Finally, yet importantly, stay safe and stay healthy.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Peter, if you don't mind, can I watch movie on your laptop?